Hey guys, so I have another grocery haul for you. But before I show you my haul, I want you guys to check out my friend Jess's haul. She does some amazing videos on YouTube, like what I ate today's and food hauls, and even her Instagram is amazing. So you have to check her out. I'll have links down below for you guys as well. But like I said, you will definitely be happy that you subscribe to her. She's very informative with her Weight Watchers and successful and has great ideas. So don't forget to check out her channel and let's get right to my haul. This is from Stater Brothers, my local grocery store. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I just have everything scattered here for now. So let's start off with, my daughter has been liking this mac and cheese. She doesn't like the Kraft one or anything. So I got this for her, and let's see what this scans. Oh, it doesn't scan, so I will create. Oh, this one doesn't scan. I will try to figure it out. If not, if any of you guys want to help me out, that would be awesome. But I won't eat this, so I don't think it really matters to me. But anyways, moving on to more cheese. Got some string cheese for the kids, and sometimes I use string cheese. I use one and I'll like cut it up and put it in like a mozzarella tomato salad. Not mozzarella. I'll put it in like a tomato cucumber salad. So just one and break it up in pieces. And this scans at, oh, focus. And it's 3 points for string cheese. You guys could, of course, use Weight Watchers string cheese, of course. I said, of course, 80 times. To make like tomato and cucumber salad. So good. Toothpaste, 0 points. Okay, I got some green beans, frozen green beans. And this is actually for a cabbage soup that I'm going to make because it's supposed to rain here in California tomorrow and the next day. Got some spring mix. I like this salad mix better than any other one. It's just, I don't know, I just really like it. There's something about the other ones that kind of make me like, I don't know. Got some broccoli. I'm actually not going to steam these. I'm going to have it just like this in a bowl mixed with some cranberries and tomatoes. You guys will probably see it in a what I ate today video. Got 2 baked potatoes because sometimes I just like to have baked potatoes in the morning with an egg inside, scrambled egg and like a little bit of cheese. So this is like a good breakfast for me. Got the kids these buddy fruits. They like these. They've liked them since they were little bitties. And I'm really curious to see how much these scan as well. 4 points for 1 pouch already. Moving on. Got a red onion. That's for my salad mix that I want to try. I got cabbage because I like to have salads with cabbage. I just like that crunch. Cucumber for the salad that I'm planning on making. I got these again because I used to get these a long time ago and put them in my yogurts. And I don't know why I stopped because it was the best thing ever for me. So the Nature Valley scans, the oats and honey one, it scans at 7 points for 2 bars, but I will just have 1 bar. I never have the 2. I give the other one to my daughter. So for 1, it would be 3. My daughter has a loose tooth, so we got this apple just for her. And got some mushrooms because I love me some mushrooms. Sauteed mushrooms are the best snack ever. Or on the side, it's always good. Got some Morningstar sausages. These are the favorite, this is our favorite sausage in this house. The kids love these and I love them. I should have got a bigger bag, but they're, like this bag right here is $3.99. And there's, how many in here? 6? Yeah, that's gonna be gone in like a day. But it's 1 point each. Got the family's favorite sandwiches. I was thinking because they eat it with sandwiches. This is their favorite chips. I don't like these chips. They taste too salty for me, and I don't mind salt, but these are too salty. But they're 5 points for 15 chips, in case you guys like them and are curious. I got some cranberries because, like I said, wait, was she supposed to? Oh no, that's for something else, right? Okay. Got these cranberries for my salad, and ooh, that salad looks really good actually. And this is 1 point for 1 tablespoon. So good. Then got some chicken broth, and this is going to be for, see the Legos? see Legos. Chicken broth is for I can't think right now. What is it for? Okay, this is for chicken dumplings that I'm gonna be making. Got some, oh my gosh, I thought I got the unsalted butter, but I didn't, but it's okay because this is for the Mississippi pot roast. My husband wanted some, so I told him, of course, I'll make some. Then I've got some cream of chicken, 2 cans of cream of chicken. I don't know where the other one, oh, it's over here. 2 cans cream of chicken, and this is for the dumplings. And let me scan that. 3 points for a serving. Chicken alphabet soup for the kids. 2 points for half a cup. The chicken broth, this one's for the dumplings. Got myself some tuna and, oh, almost smashed this. Tuna and avocado. I put avocado in my tuna instead of mayonnaise. And then got some strawberries. Of course, they finally had strawberries that look good because lately the strawberries have been looking really funky. So got some good looking strawberries here. Peppers, because you guys should know by now, it's my favorite snack. Got some bacon for the dumplings. I like to use these bacon bits for salads, dumplings, just all kinds of stuff. Got some diced onions. There's that green cabbage. Tomato, lemon. Got some chicken breasts for the dumplings. And then here is the chuck roast. I got these. I've shown them before. The kids like them. They're yogurts, strawberry, and banana. And in case you didn't watch my last haul video where I showed these, sorry, I'm like flipping everything over. 4 points each for each pouch. Now I got some diet root beer and some vanilla bean Halo Top ice cream. Can you guys guess why? Yes, we're gonna make some root beer floats in this house. So I got that. Root beer is 0 points. For half a cup, if I were to put half cup of this, which I won't put half cup, I'll put less. And then with this, it would, okay, let's just say I put half cup, then it would be 2 points for the whole root beer float. But we can make it like 1 point if we wanted to. Some Greek yogurts, toasted marshmallow, a banana cream one. This one is the one that I used to always put a bar of these in. So delicious. So I got two toasted marshmallows. 2 points for the toasted marshmallow. 2 points. So these are all 2 points right here. Got some ranch. This is for my chuck roast sushi at my store now, so I had to get some spicy tuna rolls because, you know, yeah. And then eggs. So, you guys, that was my haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Jess.
Hi, Jess. What's your name?
Jade.
Jade, you guys want to say bye to my viewers?
Bye. These are delicious food. You better buy them. I'm not gonna eat. I don't eat them right now.